Sophie Ryan joins us now with a look at the weather. Sophie, what's the latest forecast?
Good evening, Paul. The relentless heavy rain that continued across parts of Queensland today is expected to gradually start clearing offshore tomorrow. That's as this tropical low associated with the monsoon moves out into the Coral Sea. We can see our maximum at Maroochydore was 29 degrees. I'll have the forecast for the rest of the week shortly. First, we'll take a look at how the mercury moved elsewhere. 31 for Gympie, tops of 29 for Noosa and Caloundra. Taking a look at the chart, we can see a tropical low embedded along the monsoon trough over Queensland. This whole system is what's causing the flooding rain across the north of our state. Tomorrow we'll see those heavy falls continuing, particularly near that monsoon trough and the low. Over the southeast, it will be mostly sunny under a ridge of high pressure. We will have some showers along the coast though again. Taking a look at forecasts across the country, a sunny day on the way for Perth and a hot one, 35, 32 for Adelaide, some showers for Sydney and Canberra, some fog for Melbourne, 29 the top, Hobart heading for just 18 degrees. For our capital, it's shaping up to be a week of wild weather in Queensland. We have heatwave conditions building again, while tropical cyclone Omar whips up some dangerous swell. We'll start with this surface trough in the southwest of the state. That's going to gradually move east this week and trigger some showers and storms over the interior. A high pressure system will continue moving through the Bight, pushing a dry air mass and a ridge through western parts of the state. And Omar is still proving really unpredictable and difficult to forecast. We do know the Category 2 system is right now around 800 kilometres northeast of Brisbane in the central Coral Sea. It's moving around 13 kilometres an hour in a southwesterly direction. Tonight and tomorrow it's going to continue this track, staying at that Category 2 intensity. 22 for Adelaide, cool in Melbourne, 19. Showers on the way for Hobart, slightly cooler for the Red Centre if you can believe it, 34 degrees, 32 on the way for Perth. 36 degrees for our capital city tomorrow. There'll be the slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon for Brisbane, and we'll take a look closer to home. Another shocker for Gympie, 39 degrees. Everyone, a slightly overcast day in the Wide Bay. It was still pretty warm though. Our maximum temperature was 31 degrees for Bundaberg. I'll have the forecast for the rest of the week shortly. First, we'll take a look at how the mercury moved elsewhere across the Wide Bay today. 33 was the maximum for Monto, 36 for Gayndah, Harvey Bay. Now we have a ridge of high pressure maintaining pretty clear skies. The shower activity we've seen in the southeast for the last few days will continue tomorrow due to an onshore wind flow. Deep tropical low along that monsoon trough should continue moving in an easterly direction, causing some strong winds through the Gulf and across the Cape. This is the rainfall forecast for tomorrow. So here we can see where those heaviest falls are expected near the monsoon trough. Millimetres. Today was another hot, sunny and dry one. We did have a sprinkle of rain overnight in some places, but nothing too significant. I'll let you know if there's any rain on the horizon shortly. We'll take a look at how the mercury moved across our region first. 33 was a very welcome drop in maximum temperatures across southern parts of the Northern Territory and Queensland today. That's as some cooler southeasterly winds pushed through. The change didn't reach further north though. Cairns, Townsville and Rockhampton still sweltered today.
Sophie Ryan joins us now with the latest. Sophie, will this system have any impact on the coast?
Good evening, Sam. Tropical cyclone Omar is over near Vanuatu at the moment and should take on a southerly track over the next few days.
Sophie, what's the latest forecast?
Sam, this is an unpredictable system, so we don't know exactly what it's going to do next, but the Bureau's latest forecast model has the monsoon more big rainfall totals across North Queensland today as the wild weather continued. Here on the Sunshine Coast, it was hot and sunny. A little bit of cloud cover this morning, but it did clear up. Our maximum temperature at Maroochydore was 30 degrees. Ramping up, cloud cover moving over, dropping those maximum temperatures, 27, 26 there on Sunday. Rainfall ramping up, the wettest days looking like Sunday at this stage. Into the start of next week, still cool, 26 degrees. And those are your full weather details. I hope you have a great evening. I'll see you again tomorrow night, but until then, good night.